Hello dear students, welcome back to SEMS Grade 10 online classes. Dear students, today let's start this class Grade 10 Science in that chemistry part, chemical reactions and equations. In that, let's see types of chemical reaction. Already few times you learnt in previous classes, that is combination reaction, exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction and also decomposition reaction. Let's see now displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. What it means and also examples of displacement reaction we'll see now. For this I'll take one general form. Just observe. A is one element, is reacts with B and C is a one compound because of two elements are there, so we can call for this compound. To form AC plus B. AC plus B. Observe here, A is one element. It reacts with B and C is a compound, one compound to form a AC and a B. Here, B is displacing from BC, isn't it? See, B is displacing from BC. Here, A and C combining together. Yes, now? Here, displacing one element. Displacing one element. One more particular example I'll take now, that is, I'll say through the activity. Just observe. Take one test tube. Take one test tube and take copper solution, copper sulfate solution in the test tube. I'll write here diagram. This is a test tube. Test tube. Take copper sulfate solution in the test tube. This is a copper sulfate. Copper sulfate solution. It is a blue in color. Blue color. Its solution is blue color. And you take 3 iron nails. 3 iron nails. 2 iron nails tie with a thread and one you keep assigned. 2 iron nails carefully immerse in that solution. Carefully immerse in that solution. These are the 2 iron nails. One you keep assigned. This is a iron nail. Here we taken copper sulfate solution containing one test tube and 2 iron nails with a thread. Have to immerse carefully in that solution and leave that operator 20 minutes or sometime or 20 minutes nearly. After you observe iron nails inside that solution and iron nail out of that solution, both you compare and observe these iron nails. What are the iron nails inside that copper sulfate solution? It become a what? Brownish color. It become a brownish in color. Why? Because this iron is more reactive than copper. Iron is more reactive than copper, so that iron displaces the copper. Now I'll write one equation. This equation only I'll write. Iron, it is a solid form. It reacts with copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. It is a aqua solution. It gives, see, this iron displaces the copper. Ferrous sulfate or iron sulfate is also aqua solution and copper. It is a solid. See, iron reacts with copper sulfate solution to form a iron sulfate or ferrous sulfate, and copper is formed. And one more example, lead. What is the symbol for lead? Pb. It is a solid. It reacts with copper chloride. It is an aqua solution to form. See, this lead also more reactive than copper. So, it displaces the copper. Lead, chloride and copper is formed. It is an aqua solution. Understand? See, lead is more reactive than copper. So, this lead is displacing that copper. Now, I will take one more definition. Zinc. It is a solid form. It reacts with copper sulfate. It gives us zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate. It is an aqua solution and copper is formed. See, observe children. From this each and every reaction, one element is displacing, isn't it? Which is that more reactive element is displacing a less reactive element from that compound. That reaction is called displacement reaction. I'll say one more time. A reaction in which more reactive element is displaces the less reactive element from its compound. That reaction is called displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. How will you keep in your mind which is a more reactive and which is a less reactive? To remember this reactivity series, I'll say one trick. Just observe. I'll write here one sentence. Please stop. Please stop calling me a careless zebra. Careless zebra. Instead try learning how remaining thing I'll write here. How copper saves gold. How copper saves gold. See, once again I will say, please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold. How copper saves gold. How, ma'am? Through this sentence, how can we keep? I will give clues. P nothing but potassium. Potassium, and stop means sodium, and Ca means calcium. Calcium, magnesium, aluminium, Ca nothing but carbon, zebra means zinc, zinc, and instead refers to iron, and tri refers to tin, then learning, L refers to lead, and H refers to hydrogen, then copper only, S refers to silver, and G refers to gold only. See, observe children. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, carbon, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, silver, gold. These are the series, high reactivity series, written here. This is a high reactivity. Potassium is a more reactive than sodium, and sodium is more reactive than calcium. Calcium is more reactive than magnesium. Magnesium is more reactive than aluminium. Aluminium is more reactive than carbon. Like that we can judge which is a more reactive and which is a less reactive. Will you say now which is a less reactive? Gold. Gold is a less reactive element and potassium is a more reactive element. Dear students, in this class you learn about displacement reaction along with examples and how to remember that reactivity series in your mind. Okay dear students, let's see another double displacement reaction in the next class. One more thing. Here in these chemical reactions I written no displacement reaction only one element is displacing. Is it right? Only one element is displacing, so that for this reaction we call single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction. We'll see double displacement reaction or DD reaction in next class. Okay.